What's going on, guys? Your boy Jay here with the Anewish. It's a wireless keyboard, mini keyboard. You can control your Roku with it. Xbox One allows you to kind of, to type. Comes with the instruction manual, micro USB cable for charging. So now I have the Anewish unboxed out of the plastic. Here on the back is the battery, of course, but then you also have your adapter that you will put into whatever device you're using. So if you're using like a Roku or something, you can stick this in there and then it'll communicate with this box, with your wireless controller or keyboard, and then you'll be able to control that device. So I'll try to demonstrate that. So I have the Anewish wireless keyboard connected to my laptop. So there's the adapter and the USB port. And so now I'm going to kind of hit the touchpad or touch the touchpad in motion. I do apologize for my daughter making noise in the background as I record. And so now I'm gonna just type in J.H. Spears. And hopefully you can kind of hear the buttons being pressed. And that's that. So it's very responsive. I'll see myself probably using that more. By hitting the volume buttons, you're able to control the volume going up and down. So it'll control the volume that way. Your other buttons, I'm gonna just kind of go by. When I hit the email button, my email came up. This is for my Explorer. So my browser came up. When I hit the Explorer button there, going back home, doesn't do anything. And then if I want to, hitting home actually takes me to the Explorer, so that's pretty cool. And then hitting the search, let's see, will bring up the search. Like I said, overall, I'm very impressed. I would definitely recommend this if you have a media player that you want to be able to type things out and you don't want to use the standard remote. So let me know what you think in the comments.